Very good morning, children. On screen, you can see different marks. What are these? Hope you have already understood that today we are going to learn punctuation marks. Yeah, this is the most important fragment in your writing and also in your speaking if you are speaking with proper expressions. See, where we start, where we stop, how to stop, why to stop, or why to continue, what each punctuation mark means. I have some punctuation marks for you here. You can see first one is comma, second one is semicolon, third is colon, fourth is full stop, exclamation mark, question mark, apostrophe, quotes, double quotes, hyphen, dash. You can see the difference. Hyphen is smaller one, dash is bigger, hyphen is bold also. Yeah, then is you can see here stroke or slash. Normally we tell as slash. And this one, bracket, parenthesis or round brackets. Yeah, normally we are used to tell brackets, right? Round bracket or small bracket we tell. In mathematics it is called a small bracket. But in English, grammatically it is called as parenthesis, which is used to enclose the words or one small phrase in a bracket. Then square brackets. Then ellipsis. Yeah. After writing something, we write three dots, right? Means continued or something meaning is hidden in this. It is called as ellipsis. Yeah. Now next is star. Star is nothing but asterisk. Means which is used to mention the important point or condition applies. If there is a star in insurance policy, you can check in insurance policy that there will be many stars. If there is star, you should read that. We don't read insurance policy and its conditions. We just listen to the person and we take the policies. But when you go with some queries or problems, they take out your policy and show that star marked statements or the conditions which are put in policy. This is called as asterisk. Now, punctuation marks. What is punctuation mark? Or what are punctuation marks? It is used to create sense, clarity and stress in sentences. Yes. All these three are very important. Without this, your writings will be meaningless. It helps the reader or readers to understand what it meant. Okay, what is the meaning of the sentence? What is it meant for? Why are we writing? How it is different from normal sentence? This is all specified by your punctuation marks. It makes writing more organized. Now, period. Period is nothing but full stop. Used in declarative or telling sentences. Used to indicate an abbreviation. Example, doctor. See, after writing DR, we put one full stop. Mr. MR, full stop. Used as a decimal point when used in numbers. Yeah, this period is used as decimal point also. Used at the end of indirect questions. Okay, in direct interrogative sentence, we use question mark. In indirect questions, we use period. Now, next is question mark. Used in interrogative sentences that are used to ask questions. Next is exclamation point. You all know this. Exclamatory or exclamation. Used in exclamatory sentences, used to show strong emotion or feelings, used to end an interjection. Yeah. These all sentences are included with the exclamatory mark where it stands as strong expression. Comma. This is very important to practice or to cultivate in our writing and speaking. See, used to separate phrases, words or clauses in lists. Okay, this is used to separate phrases, words or clauses in the list. When we are writing a big sentence, if there is need to use comma, we should use. In case if you are using 3 or 4 names, you should use comma. Different phrases are used. Use comma. It separates the phrase from phrase, word from word, but separates for a short pause. Used to enclose non-defining relative clauses and other non-essential details and comments. Yeah. When it is non-essential, means 2-3 comments are put together. If you are separating it, you should use comma. It will be in same sentence. That will not finish or start new sentence, but it will maintain the decorum of the sentence. Used in tag questions. Yeah. When we are tagging the question, means question tag. Okay. You are coming to school, comma, aren't you? See, we asked one question. That is question tag. You are writing homework, aren't you? See, again, you are writing homework, question mark. Aren't you? You are writing homework, comma, aren't you? This, when before adding this question tag, we should use comma. Used to separate two sentences with the coordinating conjunctions. Yeah, you have already learnt conjunctions. When you are using this coordinating conjunctions, after first usage of conjunction, you should put comma and continue the sentence. Summary of comma rules. Here are some rules. Just let me read out quickly. In a simple series, use comma to separate the elements. Just now I explained. Use a comma to separate two independent clauses connected by coordinating conjunctions. Just now I explained. Use a comma following an introductory phrase of 4 words or more. Just now I explained. Use a comma with complete dates, hometowns, ages, names of states and nations used with city names, affiliations and most large numbers. In beginning itself I explained. Rule 5. Use commas between coordinate adjectives. Yeah. When you are using coordinate adjectives, okay, you have to use comma. Means, in case if you are putting more than 2 adjectives which are relating with 2 nouns or 2 pronouns, then you should use comma. Rule number 6. Use a comma carefully to set off quotes or paraphrases. Okay. Now here, use a comma carefully to set quotes. Set of quotes means when you are using quotes, after each quote, you have to put comma and continue. Okay, who said that? Once you finish your writing the quote, when you enclose a quote in inverted commas, you should put one comma and write who said that or why you are writing that. Rule number 7. Use commas to set off phrases that express contrast. Yeah, when you are expressing the contrast in the sentences, you should use commas. Rule number 8. Use a comma to avoid confusion. Yeah, when you are using 3 or 4 names together, see, you should use comma because it will confuse. Rule number 9. Do not use comma when there is only one subject. This is exception. You should not use comma when there is only one subject. Rule number 10. Use a comma to set off parenthetical elements. Yeah. Parenthesis means which is written in bracket. To show, use a comma to set off parenthetical elements means when you are writing in brackets, in case if you are using more than 2 or 3 brackets, inside parenthetical elements means when you are putting 2-3 elements in bracket, you should use comma. Now, colon versus semicolon. This is the confusing situations for everyone. Here, different confusions are created that where we should use semicolon and where we should use colon. Colon, it is used at the beginning of a list. Yes, children, we use in the beginning of the list only 2 dots used to divide the hour and the minute. See, when you write hour and minute, you use 2 dots, nothing but colon. Okay, nothing but colon used as a pause in sentence. Yeah, when you are mentioning a sentence, to pause it, put a colon. It is understood. Two dots, two periods together makes a colon. Now semicolon. One dot and one comma. Connect two independent clauses in one sentence. Yeah. To connect two independent clauses, we use semicolon. Only a pause given, semicolon, half of the colon, means a small pause. Separate items within a series. When you are writing a continuous series, we go on putting semicolon. Quotation marks. This is another important fragment in your writing to highlight some quotes, to highlight some important words, used to cite something that someone said exactly. To quote means to mention the exactly quoted words. Used to mark out idiomatic or unknown expressions. Yeah. Unknown expressions means if you want to express something very carefully, you have to put the quotation marks, means double inverted commas we usually tell. Now, ellipses, three dots. After writing something, we put three dots, right? Used to show where words have been missed out when writing what a person said. Okay. Used to show the omission of words in the sentence. Yeah. Continued means something else is left out here. Something more is to say here. All these expressions come under this ellipsis. Means still more we can add. Something is missing. Okay. Now, the apostrophe. The apostrophe has three uses. Yeah. If you understand this better, your grammatical errors will be reduced. To form possessive of nouns, to show the omission of letters, to indicate certain plurals of lowercase letters. Yeah. When you are writing plurals, after writing a plural, G-I-R-L-S, girls, full write that and put one apostrophe mark. It shows that after that plural, continued plurals are there. Apostrophe are not used for possessive pronouns or for noun plurals including acronyms. Yeah, apostrophe are not used for possessive pronouns. If you understand this, it's enough. Okay, mine, my, these are possessive pronouns. After this, no apostrophe is used. Same, noun plurals including acronyms. No, it is not used after noun plurals also. Fine. Hyphen, used to spell out numbers starting from the number 21. See, 20 hyphen 1, 20 hyphen 2. It is used in numbers also. Used to join two words or parts of words together while avoiding confusion. In case if you are writing a sentence, if your word is getting disconnected at the end of the sentence, you will put one hyphen and continue in the new line. Used when adding words that already have a hyphen. Means if you know that there is a hyphen used in this, you can use it. See, here these are some of the punctuation marks which we should habitually practice to use it. Okay, thank you.